It's your boy Alex again with another video, and today you're supposed to be overly excited because today will be my first unboxing for the channel. Today I'm going to unbox a Bosch power plane, and I will start unboxing that right now. This is the tool, as mentioned, came in this package. It's a reconditioned plane, factory reconditioned. So I'm gonna open the box now. Very simple packaging. This is the main tool. Smells new. And you can see it has the tag there, factory condition. It feels very heavy duty. And then the other bag with manual, that's shoot. So I'll get to that in a second. This is what we call the guide for the plane. Parts attached, guide to the tool. The first thing to do is to get the box and the instructions of the way. So I'm going to open the dash sheet. And the rest of the components. These are the rest of the components. That should attach to here, and then attaches to here. This is the stand, so that when the plane is on and running, and you rest it down suddenly, it doesn't damages the material that you put it on. I'm going to get straight to action now. What I did is plug in to show you how it sounds. It doesn't have an aggressive sound. It starts fairly slow. Anyway, I'm going to test it out on a piece of wood without shoot on first. Brand new blade, so you can see the wood is fairly smooth. What I'm going to do is use the chute now, see how well it works. What I have to do is clear off this dust here. I cleared off the dust, so I'm going to use the chute to see how well it works. Very smooth, very consistent. Compared to it's really heavy, but the finished job is very good. It's a very heavy plane compared to most. I can tell that for sure. It feels like if it's pure metal. It has a nice long cord. The cord is approximately 10 foot. The way to undo the blades, I will take you a little closer. The way to undo the blades are Allen key. The tool is on the side of the plane, tucked right there, so it isn't in a place that can be lost. It's actually integrated inside the tool of itself. If you can see here, that's the tool to undo the blades. In this video, I will not take out the blades now, but it seems fairly easy to change blade. I'm trying to give you a close-up of the tool, of the belt. It's here. As you can see, it's black. And the model number is written on the blade, so it's written, the model number is written onto the belt itself, so it might be a good idea to keep some of these belts in stock. In terms of changing the brushes, it's usually where the motor is, so it's also good to keep these brushes in stock as well. So I'll be ordering some of these brushes just to keep up the maintenance of this plane. It seems very heavy duty, it seems very strong, so let's see if this plane can stand the test of time. You have this button as a safety, so you won't miss and press the power. So you have to press this first, and then let me give you, you have to press the side button first and then press the button at the bottom. You can also lock this button by pressing the top button, and the plane will stay on as long as you press the underneath button again. The model number of the plane is PL1632. You will soon see this plane in a lot of my videos coming up soon. You'll see a really in-depth overview and review of this plane, and I hope that you enjoy this unboxing. This is a new tool to the workshop, and just wanted you to get the experience as I have. So guys, tell me what you think in the comments below. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Now like and subscribe, and I hope to bring you more unboxings, more content like this. See you in the future. Out.